The LG air purifier was created to give you a quiet yet powerful way to remove air pollutants in your home. With this visual display and control panel, you can see the quality of your air and adjust settings based on your preferences. This video will address your troubleshooting needs if you run into any problems with your product. If your air output is weak and the air purifier makes a noise, it's possible that the pre-filter is clogged or dust accumulated on it. To solve this, clean or replace the pre-filter. If there's an odor coming from your air purifier, it's possible that there is too much heavy smoke or odors in the area. To solve this problem, ventilate the area. Another possible cause is that the deodorizing filter is dirty and reached its life expectancy. If that's the case, replace it with a new filter. Another possible cause is that the air purifier is being used to remove cooking odors instead of a vent hood. Avoid this problem by not using the air purifier in place of a vent hood. If your air quality light indicator is showing red continuously, the cause might be that water or oil is sprayed near the air purifier or that a humidifier is too close to it. As a solution, avoid spraying water or oil near the air purifier or placing a humidifier too close. The air quality indicator detects both odor and dust. If an odor is strong and particle matter levels are low, the light may remain on red or orange.